Atlanta niggas versus Florida niggas.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. I done bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carat in stones.
Always on my mind, always on my mind. When I ride through the east side, I wanna see you. When I see you, when I.
This legacy, having more stripes than a referee, trapping the sport. Go back to the basics, connect with the zones. Then we take out to New York.
Now money keep piling, this shit keep piling. New bag, brand new deposit, brand new deposit.
Off a plane to a Mac, 100 times platinum, fuck a plat. Bulletproof, the tires run flat. Cut throat, I give him one chance.
Smoking shit on one thing, they just can't get them back. In the splat, back to back, on the block, we double back. My killer make his face go, that's one thing about queso.
On it all, I won't leave a breadcrumb. Bitch, what I thought a nigga said some. Thought a nigga said some.
Hey, turn me up. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. Turn me up. Turn me up. Turn me up.
Niggas with verses without auto-tune part 2.
I know how to handle it, bust on my damage. These niggas can't run, we gon' kill everyone. You know where I'm from, give a fuck how you come. Got a stick in the car and it sound like a bomb.
Right around in the drop top with a stolen car. Searching for my ops. I got my green ass on, trying to get egg. What's happening?
No, my bitch so bad. You spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah.
My name is Richard and I'm sitting in the corner. Sitting in the corner, playing my recorder.
Man, I always lose sleep. Projects with my gun in my hand. Most don't have a choice, so we choose to take a chance.
You want someone, said you want someone.
Someone to please you.
Just to throw in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family.
Get it, got me young boys hanging off the roof. Hey, like designing lean thing, but lean tripping thing, you close the money, what it do?
Niggas with verses without auto-tune.
His talk gon' have a tag. I ain't gon' say too much when the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. I ain't gon' say too much when the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit.
On me 38 on jam, I pack, I can make you a strand. Free more key when done with a Zan. Playing and running some bands, you tell me I can, I tell you I am. Feel my brothers are stuck in a can. Lizzie on me 38 on jam.
He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with the shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby let me know. Drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with the shit, she told me where he be.
My floor, I take they ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I know I'm about to blow, ain't done. Try to take my floor, I take they ass for ransom.
Mine for a little, you should let me break your spine just a little. Got your shorty on my pistol, made it empty out the clip. Make you mine for a little, you should let me break your spine just a little. Got your shorty on my pistol, made it empty out the clip.
Keep me on the block, baby, what kept me on the block, baby.
Be 2 shot Glock, baby, what 32 shot Glock, baby. Keep me on the block, baby, what kept me on the block, baby.
Bitch, ain't gon' say too much when the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they getting pop quick. I ain't gon' say too much when the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they getting pop quick.
Girl, my mood changed when you walked through the door. Before you came, it was tears on the floor. Girl, you so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me your love, now I really want more. Girl, so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out, I don't really take tests. You gave me your love, I'm addicted like drugs. Girl, I think you the plug, you the one with the best. You got some funny feelings in my head, and God, I don't know what to call it. So if you ain't quick, say that it's love, but I know I want some more of it. These feelings stuck in my head, ain't too big on level with you, I'm on for it. From me and you, we get tore it. Fuck all them better things, shit, they ignore it. Daily, you be on my mind. My heart hurt being bruised from the owner before it. Got a good feeling this time.
Rappers with verses without auto-tune.
Shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they getting pop quick. Flies nigga in the game, yeah, I'm a cockpit. When the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they getting pop quick.
Stuck in a can, Lizzie on me 38 on jam. I pack, I can make you a strand. Free more key when done with a Zan. They in and running some bands, you tell me I can, I tell you I am. Feel my brothers are stuck in a can. Lizzie on me 38 on jam. I pack, I can make you a strand.
Fucking up, masked up, suited up, ayy, catch him by that stove, up the pole, shoot it up, ayy, bitch, what up? They say they on they block, it's time to slide, fuck them up, ayy, look bro walking up, masked up, suited up, ayy.
Who's there at the door right now? If you don't open it, how we gon' keep eating?
the door right now. If you don't open that hoe, we gon' kick it down. Had to grab my fives.
Kept me on the block, baby. What kept me on the block, baby?
Block, baby, what kept me on the block, baby? Bitch. 32 shot Glock, baby, what 32 shot Glock, baby? Kept me on the block, baby, what kept me on the block, baby? Bitch.
Bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how I go. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the O. Bitch a hoe, met her at the store, you know how I go. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the O.
My youngest hard, listen, they ain't playing no games. We really want him there. He got hit up close range. He playing no games. We really want him there. He got hit up close range. He fucked up in the head. He wanna see some more brains. On that corner, I can stay about that dope game. I got black, I got white. What you want? Hop outside the ghost and hop up in a fan. No, ain't done. Try to take my floor, I take their ass to ransom. Know that I'm gone. See me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. 2 twin ops, leave 'em.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods.
First I go whip out the boat. No, I can't hit on no brakes. My life is out of control.
Bitch, what I thought a nigga said something. Thought a nigga said something.
60 in the block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna.
The nigga can't stand it. Psycho, bandit.
For the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow. It makes a round sounds. Pussy.
Like us, they not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Every time I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
When I bring the killers, I know they don't supposed to be out of the town. Lucy A vet, take me straight to a jet. We ain't packing no bag, tell the deal straight down. That's all the scribbles, I'm throwing unlimited ones. Security ain't patting me down. I had some motion before I start rapping. I picked up a mic and I put down a pound. I be somewhere chillin', sippin' sir. I call all the shots, but I still put in work. Pump your brakes, I don't go on dates. They can't see my face, I'm super turned. I don't want your bitch, bro, you can have her back, she's super burnt. You never coming back, okay, I'm done with that. Once you see that nigga ain't me, you'll come running back. Just know the grass ain't green, everything ain't always what it seem to be. On the other side, ain't no fight for love, you. They don't benefit, they act like a bitch and get in they feelings. I got bigger fish, my niggas in prison with 100 years. Back and forth to court, more money, the lawyers fighting appeals. There's not a lot of us, they just replicas, that shit. I turn my back on some of my family, shit I had to. You saw that everything I said, I'm still mad at you for that. You supposed to be right here with me, now way in the back. Say what you saw, catch a fucked up shot, you can't come back from that. I'm with the slimiest niggas, they acting slimy. I'm with the grimiest niggas, they acting grimy.
Who is the best bald nigga?
Bitches thinking that it's cute. You send niggas to do what you wouldn't even do. Role model, you would never fit to shoot. Just a nigga with emotion, a red fair bitch. Your aura give me the ick. Niggas like you make me sick.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. Like it's Simone in my veins, my culture banging with strange. I change the game, so what's my motherfucking name? What did I get though? Desecration, defamation. If you wanna bring it to the masses, face to face, now we escalating. When I have to put these asses, mean on you like a dream. Wanna rumble and you're gonna scream, mama. So bring drama to King Drama. Punch with extreme mana.
Puffy tryna see me weak, hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia, some mark ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the boots. You know the rules.
Man, she choosing me, you would die if you know what she was doing to me. We been swiping spit for a little while, this shit ain't new to me. Acting like I'm chasing her or something, she be pursuing me. Can't hold you, she be telling me all the time, she wish that you was.
Blackin', we'll blick you at the stove. Doing hits and ride with Drakes in the mic. You ever smoked a nigga and stood over a bike? I made $1 million off peas in the street.
Rap songs to listen to help you sleep.
Side of my song cause I know they be trapping a lot. I can't keep taking these pills when I'm in the trenches. They say I be capping a lot. I know we be acting a lot. This year, before all this rap shit, I was getting this year, only for 2 years, thank God this shit happened so quick. Money, I'm so the hatred to the hop. I faced I just wanna be a hate.
rappers who received backshots.
The way to make them move is I be loaded. Why you out to drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, I can sport it, can't control it. I see you not satisfied, and I don't see nobody else. I see myself, I'm looking at the.
Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage?
This shit we overlooked and got us 10 lives. I still told them many every day, he got like 3 to 5. Lot of shit been puncture in my heart, but I won't never cry. Brand new money coming in, I just put this shit aside. Y'all might think this shit I did was easy, but it took its time. Now
Pussy nigga, I still ain't sparing shit. Online he doing that raw, that's why his man got hit. 50 on this plain Jane. Buying time trying to see if I can free Brody out the chain gang. Guess
Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. Pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found.